A warning sign in your blood test, how your own immune cells could be hardening your lungs. While you might just skim over your blood test results, the monocyte count could hold vital clues to upgrading your health. Today, we'll dive into some crucial insights for protecting your lung health, all based on a recent study that uncovered a startling connection between a progressive lung disease called Idiopathic Pulmonary Fibrosis and the monocytes circulating in our blood. Our bodies have immune cells called monocytes circulating in our bloodstream, which fight off bacteria and viruses and help repair damaged tissues. According to the study, the process of pulmonary fibrosis starts when the cells in your lungs get injured. These injured lung cells release a substance that acts like an SOS signal, known as CCL2. Monocytes in the blood pick up this signal using an antenna called CCR2. They then flock to the lungs where the SOS was sent, kicking off the repair process. Essentially, monocytes are supposed to act like a rescue squad for our bodies. Once they arrive in the lungs, these monocytes can transform into another type of cell called an M2 macrophage under certain conditions. Now, these M2 macrophages are meant to repair damaged tissue and stop inflammation. However, sometimes they go into overdrive during the healing process, secreting substances like TGF-beta, which leads to the overproduction of hard, fibrous tissue, such as collagen. This runaway repair process ends up promoting what's called fibrosis, the stiffening of the lungs, which ultimately impairs your ability to breathe. So, the very rescue squad that rushed in to help, ironically, ends up making the situation worse. This begs the question: if there's no infection, why do monocyte levels in the blood become chronically high? The study suggests two main reasons for this. First, factors like high stress can cause monocytes to be produced outside of their primary factory, the bone marrow. Second, in conditions like pulmonary fibrosis, the body is in a constant cycle of tissue damage and repair. In this scenario, the body's SOS signal is always on, prompting the continuous overproduction of monocytes to meet the perceived demand. Since monocytes are key players in the inflammatory response, it's crucial to adopt a lifestyle that keeps inflammation in check. This means focusing on a balanced diet, regular exercise, and getting enough high-quality sleep. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. To learn more, please check out our Robustness newsletter on Substack.